Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add reminders to a list using the reminders application on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the reminders application which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So let's now go all the way onto the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the reminders application. Enter to open that up. And so in the previous tutorials, I did create a list or a couple of lists within the reminders application. Let's now go back in time and recreate some reminders. So let's just go to today, top right corner, plus let's just say upload a video. For today, change the time, let's just say for 9 o'clock. So that will be added to today and scheduled, top right corner, plus let's say upload a photo. For today, 9 o'clock, added to today and scheduled. So now the purpose of this tutorial is to, let's just say, move a reminder to a list. As you can see, the reminders list already has these two reminders, but we will be moving reminders to another created list. So what we can do is click on the reminder, we can right click, or we can drag and drop to, let's just say, CSV. So that's one reminder gone in there, another reminder. So both the reminders are now within the CSV list. So nothing in reminders, both in CSV, today and the schedule reminder. So we can now quit reminders. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.